Let's show the basic diagnosis and special functions of MK906 Pro. The first is the basic diagnosis. We plug the VSI into the car OBD interface. Click Diagnostics. Select EOBD to read automatically. After entering, click Live Data. View real-time data. Here you can see some real-time data on the status of the car. We click on Ignition Timing Advance for number 1 cylinder. Pull down the menu, select to view waveform, and zoom into view. Let's look at the DTC and FFD and the vehicle information menu bar again. Then let's take a look at the special functions of the device. There are 39 kinds in total. Let's click Injector to see some models supported by this special function. Then check the supported languages in the main interface settings. This prompt means that a factory activation license is required to use this language.